Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
To illegal foreigners in SA, please don't listen to our government, ne? Don't listen to those people. They are staying in high walls. VIP protection, bodyguard, helicopter, blue light, Eye of Africa, Waterfall, Hydropark, Hyde Park, Sentin, Rosebank, Melrose, ne? Bona ba-safe la behlala khona. They are safe. CCTV camera, alarm, panic button. Ne? Bona ba-safe la behlala khona, ne? So, it is you who's going to face an angry community. You're staying in Alex. People, they know that you're from Mozambique, you don't have papers, you are a welder, da-da-da-da-da-da. So, the government is not going to send an SAPS who's going to stand by the gate 24/7. It is you who's going to face the mob. It is you who's going to face an angry community in Alex, Tembisa, Umlazi, Ntontoni. It is you who owns a shop in CBD. Please do not listen to them. Please. South African citizens are very angry. uRamaphosa ufake upetroli emlilweni for him to spend 600 million to protect illegal foreigners. Wenze izinto zaba worse. Yazi maybe bengafanele leso statement siphume, bekufanele kubonakale ngamaphoyisa nje segcwele umgwaqo. Leso statement siphume sakhomba ukuthi kushuthi abantu bahluke beshibhekiswa ngamasibomu. Thina uyaphela u3 days singenawo amanzi. Uyaphela u3 days singenawo ugesi. Izingane zethu ayisebenzi, izingane zethu ama graduates kodwa ayisebenzi ihlele emakhaya. Uma siya esibhedlela thina kuthiwa odokotela bayashoda. Kuthiwa odokotela bayashoda. Kodwa kuno 600 million okhishwayo ukuze kuprotect ama illegal foreigners. Niyabona ukuthi ugovernment wethu uyena ofake usawoti esilondeni. Ekubeni sisaxakwe imadlanga ukuthi we are paying tax every month. Kunabantu abavele badle nje u300 million i-tax yethu. Sisadinwe iloko nje ukuthi kunabantu abavele badla imali engaka, imali yethe tax. Kunabantu abanemizi ewu17. Kunabantu abathatha imali yama taxpayers bathenga ama Lamborghini, bathenga ama Ferrari. Kunabantu abathola ithenda lokuthi bathenge imshini yesibhedlela bangayithengi. That 600 millions ikhombise lento engihlezi ngisho ukuthi yazini thina indlela esikhokha ngayo i-tax vele we supposed to be in the level of a first world country. Thina sikwi level yokuba i-first world country. But akhambi kanjalo. Akunjalo. Ngoba abantu badla imali, imali zo-upgrade ikole, zokulungisa imigwaqo. Uyazi ukuthi kuneyindawo in KZN ema-farm abasahamba umgwaqweni wobhuqu. Mase kuthiwa 40 years of ANC Ntontoni, 40 years ye-freedom, 40 years ye-Ntontoni, 40 years ye-democracy, 40 years yakagogo. Kodwa emakhaya kunemizi engenayo i-running water. Running water, cabanga into ebaluleke kangaka. Running water, there is no running water, there is no electricity, there is no tie road, but there is 600 million wokuthi kuprotectwe ama illegal foreigners. South African citizens are very angry. And the frustration yabo bazoyikhiphela kunina Nkosi yami. Uma kuthiwe ngomhla ka-30, umhla ka-30 kusasa, wena uhlala ethembisa wena. Kuzovele kuvuka omakhelwane bakho nje bavuka nje bomvu bangqongqisa umjondolo wakho uzothini? Uzobe kuphi uRamaphosa? Uzobe ngekho. We don't want to hear stories ukuthi ubani ushisiwe ngoba nakho ungayena walana. Yabo njengoba isiqalile lento. Yabo nje bisiqalile kwathiwa hambani. Guys, do yourself a favor. Uhambe ngempela mngani wami. When it's time for you to come back nizobuya, I will stand up for you. Guys, ngiyaphakamisa isandla. I will stand up for you. Uma izinto sezi-right, I will stand up for you guys. Nizobuya. Nizobuya. Vele kunemsebenzi thina singeke siyenze. It is reserved for foreigners. Thina ngeke siyenze leyo msebenzi. Thina we need mining. Thina sidinga imisebenzi nama-payslip. Uyayizwa lento engishoyo? Sizonibiza sithi wozani. We want to deal with our government manje. Siklina i-country, sisusa corruption. Izolo bengine-video Nigerian lithi they don't want to go home because there's tribalism and corruption. Ne? Okay, tribalism, there has nothing to do with the government. But corruption, it's something abangayifighta bona. It's something abangayifighta bona. Bayilwe, bahlangane, baxoshe ugovernment, bafale baxoshe upresident, baxoshe upresident loyo ahambe ukuze bona baphile kahle. Kanti icabinet yabi nabantu abangakanani? Bona bama-citizens banabantu abangakanani? Bangakanani abantu babo bona? Why fanele bahlulwe abantu becabinet abantu abawu-200? Akwazi ukuthi ngaba njalo. They just don't want to fix their country. Angibazi ukuthi basabani. Basabani. And thina, if we don't fix this country, we're going to end up going door to door, nathi go Europe, senzeni. Guys, asinxoshi, especially to our neighboring countries. Guys, you are our neighbors. Ne? You've helped us during apartheid, right? Asinxoshi, it's us who are supposed to help you. But at this point, we are also having a crisis. Just give us time to deal with our government. Let us change things. Then nizobuya. Eventually, we need you. It is you who are buying amaphathe more ton. Somehow there's a relationship. Kodwa sinikezeni isikhathi to fix the country. If usingayifix manje, nathi sohambe sinqonqoza ko-Italy sifuna ukuba wonini nama-degree. Nani lento niyibonile isaqala kuma-countries enu niyayiyeka yaze ya-escalator. Ya-escalator naze nafika kwi-point ukuthi sekufanele nihambe ningqongqoza-ke manje ko-South Africa niyaxoshwa. Hey, yimbi lento eyenzakalayo. Akekho nje umuntu odeserve lento eyenzela kunina vele ukuthiwa usuyaxoshwa-ke manje usutotazela neyipontshi uphuma uyangena amadada akho uzele ney'ngane amadada yakulandela nilambile niyaphakela oBrianna Masulumane. Guys, ayekho umuntu odeserve lento eyenzakalayo. But-ke sizothini? Ayikho into soyisho. I-MK yaKhrizani yasebenza kanzima ukuze thina siphile kahle. Salahlekelwa obhuti bethu nomalume bethu. Niya-understand? Vele during apartheid abanye babeyingayingena abanye babeyingena. Yayizwa leyo nto? Mina mangase ungithatha uyongibeka kwi-podcast uthi angikhulume nge-MK yaKhrizani. Ngingakukhuluma nge-MK yaKhrizani angazi kuzokube yinini. Kungaba ama-episode awu-14. Ngingenza ngisho i-series mina. Ngokuthi MK yayilwela kanjani le country. I was there. Ngisakhumbula yonke into njengayizolo, ama-jokes alabo malume, intontoni yalabo malume, labo malume ababhalwe lapha eMlazi nje ngibazi ngoba ngizazi. Makuthiwa uNtontozulu lo mgwaqo osuke eKings Wellington Stadium uye B3, ngingakutshela ngomali uMtonto mina. Tshela uphaqa ayewugqoka, ngitshela amajoke akhe. Abongcede, abommeleni, abontontoni. Lawo ma-comrade lawo ngiyawazi, ngikhumbula yonke into ngawo. Basebenza kanzima.
This lady right here is sending a message to foreigners in South Africa to say, foreigners, please do not listen to our government. And yes, I do get a point why she is saying that, sending this strong message to foreigners to say, please do not listen to our government. Because guys, we know that there is violent, that there will be violent. We know that the government will not be there to save you, especially if you do have kids. It's way much better for you to just remove yourself from that chaos while it's still early, because we cannot predict how this is going to go down or how this is going to unfold. You understand me? Yes, the government is saying no, anyone who is going to be seen doing anything illegal or, questioning those foreigners' documents or, such things will be held accountable. But guys, we don't know how these people will be reacting towards these foreigners. With that one, we are not sure whether this will be a peaceful march, because they always say the march will be peaceful. We all know how it's going to go down. We all know how it is going to go down. So guys, I do get this woman, Shem. I do understand your point very, very well to say, it's way much better for you to be safe than to be sorry. Yes. We all don't know how this is going to unfold. Even the government also doesn't know, even though they're telling people to say, don't do that. If you do that, you will be held accountable. We still are not sure how people will react towards foreigners. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.